Hey sir, would you like a Mountain Dew?
Sure.
I feel something. My voice is changing. I don't know what's going on. I'm the law. This is Declaration of Independence. This is the Constitution running through my veins. You see them JETSKIs? They were dirty, but I said they were clean. Because it's against the law. But now they're not against the law, and now they're clean. Come see that JETSKI. Look at that JETSKI, all clean and pretty. It's a little dirty, but the law's gonna stand true like it should be. And it's gonna get clean. And it's gonna be rolled like a man of the law. Cause I said so, I'm the law. Let me cut you law to the next one. It's dirty. The law gonna do what the law gonna do. It's gonna grab the gavel and pap the pebble. That's a little feminine. I'm supposed to say both is a little manly. I'm gonna grab the pebble and grab the lip. I said it wrong again, goddammit. We're gonna go to another JETSKI. Get over here. Follow the law.
Y'all gonna like that.
You stop looking at the law. That's a criminal injustification. This is the ugly JETSKI. When the law's gonna be done with it, it's gonna be lawfully right.
Do you lie awake at night? Are you afraid to turn out the lights? Is there something you're scared of? What's there out in the dark? Make sure to keep all your windows locked. Do you surrender? You try to stay awake. These walls you can't escape. Here's one for the lonely hearts, for the ones that fear the dark. You better run out of here. Bet you can't look the other way. Here's one for the broken road. That's the only one you know. You better run out, truth or dare. Get me out, take me anywhere but
Today's the 4th. Guess what we're gonna do? We're going in the lake. We're gonna do some American shit. American shit. That's what we're gonna do. Hooked up to the JETSKI, badass up here. Going to the landing, docking off. That's the place you seen that raccoon there. We might see him again. We're going to dock off at the landing. We're going to head to a buddy, meet a buddy on his party barge. American party barge, built in America, paid for by Americans. Today we're gonna celebrate America, Independence Day, the day we signed independence. So let me go ahead and stop. That bitch swinging. Oh yeah, it's cool.
Ready? Welcome to good times.
sit back, enjoy the ride. We're on our way. One track, no turning back. Forget yesterday.
You have to get an Uber with a truck to haul the trailer.
I'm over here.
Hey, what? So what you have to say about that?
Same shit, different day.
Well, can't put it any better than that. Hey, I bet you never knew this. Fun fact. Whenever you're in the woods, you see a moose. What does it do when a moose first sees a person? I don't fucking know either. But besides the point, I got something I gotta tell you. Come on, man. I don't like spiders, man.
He said I don't like spiders.
Hey.
Hey.
Wow. Hey, Bonehead, is this the brakes? Hey, Bonehead. Do you know what a moose does whenever it sees a person? Hold on. Do you know what a moose does when it sees a person in the woods? What you doing? Blow? I don't know either. But guess what? Besides the point. Bitch, give me the fucking. Okay, Joe, look, he's hiding behind so you don't look as big. Yeah.
English Sean's idea. Bro, you don't even look wet.
No,
I know, I got out of it before.
No! Hey!
He's gonna hit someone if he does.
Oh my God!
He got him running. He got him running. Look at that smirk.
Sit back, enjoy the ride. We're on our way. One track, no turning back. Forget yesterday. Unknown destination, aiming for the sky. So high, so high, so high.
We got 2 floors.
They got places.
I
Whoa.
wonder if it blow that damn thing up.
Dang.
We're supposed to bring an air pump.
Look at this.
Oh, we got that old deer backstrap going, boy. Look at here. Having some fun and got some damn good food going on. Got Daddy with the old music over there jamming.
Let's see Daddy. There's Daddy. Hey, Daddy. Yeah. Now I take the video out, everybody stops. What the hell is that? Kirk, what we gonna say about that? All right, all right. Uh-oh, uh-oh. He's gonna wreck it. He's gonna wreck it. You better hurry up and go. Yeah. Better hurry up and go, they coming.
Damn, if you gotta do it over there because it goes that far.
Daddy bumping ugly.
Oh fuck yeah! You let me take your ride like that?
Put your leg over the top.
Sit on it, babe.
Yeah, like
Straddle it.
like
What the fuck?
welcome to Good Times.
How the hell you gonna pick her up with a boat that don't start?
That's right.
I thought, what happened? I thought Bonehead was going to the truck to work on it, to get it running.
What?
Yeah, whenever we left the landing.
What you drinking, ma'am?
Yeah, Bonehead said he was coming to the landing.
To be with my side piece.
Who's your side piece,
Everybody left a nut. Hold on. Where's Billy though?
He's over there. Who's your side piece?
Nobody.
I don't fucking know.
No.
Harry at the store.
Out of my mouth. I don't need.
I want to be your side piece.
No, for real.
Tastes like beer.
Bonehead, you need a side toot.
Yeah, stop him. Stop him again. Stop him.
All right, you my side piece. Get this side, baby.
She just like that side.
Hold on. No, for real. Somebody still pick PJ up.
Hey, that's going on like
I like it though. We ain't gotta worry about getting hit.
Don't worry about us though.
Yeah, a lot of fucking y'all. Yeah,
You gotta, that motherfucker right there is plotting on me too, man.
Yeah?
Yeah. That motherfucker right there is plotting on me.
Yeah, you got my back.
I see that.
Hey, don't fucking think he got hide behind it.
That's my, hey, I'm the law. That's my informant. Nah, Luke's dangerous. Luke's dangerous.
Hey, he's the worst. Hey, we got danger 1, danger 2. Hey, levels of danger. Who the
Hey, nah, Clint's. Yeah, it's Clint.
I'm trying to pass it. You guys are going crazy. I get that muscle gas. I couldn't see.
Hey, I found the camp.
I made him wait a little while. I don't know if he made it 15 minutes.
Well, let me introduce you to the guy that the game warden stopped. Joey, tell him what they told you.
No dog fighting. Just go in a straight line.
So you buy JETSKI to go straight. What
Straight
the,
line.
What
Nothing
the
else.
is that?
That ain't no good times. No good times at all.
We still had a good time though. We still had a good time. I want to thank those who do watch and subscribe to the videos. I appreciate it a lot. Hopefully this one y'all enjoy. But I'm gonna go ahead and sign off here. Thank you for watching.
The sun is coming up, are you ready to go? We can take a ride, we can take it slow. Your will is my law, I'ma let you be the boss, 'cause I'll go where you go. I'll take you to a place we can see it all. Step off the edge, I can break your fall. Your will is my law, I'ma let you be the boss, 'cause I'll go where you go. When you fall down, I'll get you back up again.